Barely a week ago, Amber Heard announced that there was new evidence coming to light as she hired new legal counsel to appeal the verdict in the bombshell defamation case against Johnny Depp. After firing her attorney, Elaine Bredehoft, the Aquaman star hired David Axelrod and J. Ward Brown of Ballard Spahr as her lead appellate counsel. She also claimed that a new cache of evidence is in their hands and that they will present them to the jury as soon as the appeal hearing commences. But what the curvy actress forgot is that in Virginia's appeal court, no new evidence is allowed, and that means she will use and thereafter prove her innocence with the evidence she used during the Fairfax trial. After realizing that, the actress is said to have sent an urgent complaint letter to the appeal court desk, begging to be allowed to use new evidence. So what are these new facts and figures Amber is dying to show the court? Let's find out. Amber Heard claimed to have new evidence against former husband Johnny Depp after hiring new legal counsel to appeal the verdict of the libel case. The Texas native revealed that a binder of doctor's notes can prove that she suffered from years of abuse throughout her relationship with Depp. In an interview she did following the Virginia verdict, the actress said, "There's a binder worth of years' notes dating back to 2011 from the very beginning of my relationship that were taken by my doctor, who I was reporting the abuse to. Her notes represented years of real-time explanations of what was going on." It was believed that her legal team could not use the notes in the defamation case due to the judge dismissing them as hearsay, and the same is likely to happen in the Court of Appeal. As explained by Amber's team, the notes detail what the actress told her therapist, that Depp hit her and threw her on the floor on one occasion in 2012 and ripped her nightgown and threw her on the bed on another, and that Depp threw her against a wall and threatened to kill her in 2013. And even coming out in person to say she has a bunch of new evidence to help her case, Amber's former lawyer Elaine Bredehoft previously insinuated the same. In her CBS appearance, Elaine described Depp's win as a major setback for women, citing the actress's enormous amount of evidence and telling hosts Gayle King, Tony DeCouple, and Nate Burleson that a lot of that evidence was suppressed. "Look at all the women who have no evidence," the lawyer said, adding, "Basically what this jury said is unless you pull out your cell phone and you tape record your spouse beating you, you're out of luck." Elaine also told CBS she believes Depp's celebrity status was a significant factor behind his win. "It's a tale of two trials," she said, tying in the trial Depp brought forth in the United Kingdom. All the evidence came in the UK. Mr. Depp brought that one. The burden of proof was on the Sun in the UK because they had called him a wife-beater and talked about the domestic violence. He had his opportunity to tell the truth then, and in the 3-week trial, he lost. The judge found 12 acts of violence, including sexual violence, that came out in November of 2020. "We weren't allowed to tell the jury that," she added. But now, with Elaine gone and new evidence compiled, Amber is feeling confident. Another thing that has become well known amongst the masses in the Aquaman actress not having enough money to pay the sum. The Drive Angry star, whose entire net worth is $8 million, filed an appeal against the verdict. Just a day after that, even JD's team appealed her $2 million verdict. Her spokesperson recently revealed that she has hired 2 new legal representatives, with Ben Rottenborn continuing as co-counsel as she claims new evidence has been uncovered. A different court warrants different representation, particularly as so much new evidence is now coming to light, a spokesperson said in a statement. As to whether the new set of lawyers and the new cache of evidence will bring success remains to be seen, but Amber's lawyers unfortunately won't be allowed to introduce any fresh evidence in the Court of Appeal. And that's it from us today. Until next time, bye!